Hey guys, sorry I was interrupted earlier. So I'm going to do these Halo Top review, and they only have like 1 gram of sugar and 60 calories, and I already gave one to my dog. They're pretty small. I got the strawberry cheesecake, so obviously my dog loves his ice cream and he's eating it right now. So that's what you guys are hearing. And I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna take a bite. I'm not really like hungry, but I just wanted to try it. It's strawberry cheesecake. It's Halo. It's low carb. If you guys are on low carb, I'm not on low carb. I'm just trying it because, oh my goodness, this thing is ugly. Looks like this. It's very melted. It tastes like it tastes like ice cream, but like baked ice cream. Oh my god, I have my lips, you guys. It's pretty good. 60 calories. Halo Top. I prefer the peanut butter and jelly one better. But it's like if you want something sweet. But it has like the crunch of the strawberry, and I guess the ice cream is the cheesecake. I mean, it's pretty good. I just kind of wanted to review this. They had other flavors like mint and chocolate chip, but this one, I don't know, I was craving strawberry. Almost as like a graham cracker crust, and it's a good little bite. Like if y'all want something sweet, and if you, like I said, if you guys are on low carb and you want ice cream, it's actually pretty good. They also have another brand that's called Rebel. That if you're on low carb, like I said, I'm not on low carb. I just wanted something sweet and cold. I'm not too cold, but it's pretty good. Like if you just want something like a little sweet and not too fattening, I recommend getting these Halo Tops. So this is just a quick review. You guys, I hope you have a magical blessed day and try these Halo Tops. They're pretty good. So all right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.